So I'm making this video for my students in the faceless video content creation class. I want to show them how to add funny videos to their videos. These funny videos make a video more interesting and sometimes funny, so you may want to add it. Now let's go to the tutorial. So go to YouTube or Instagram or even TikTok and search for compilation of funny memes, funny Nigerian memes and videos. You're actually going to search for it. So when you see the one that has the sounds you want, or if there's a particular sound you're looking for, you can also search a video of so and so sound. It will bring it out for you. So when it gets to the one you want, just use your screen recorder and record the video. You can also download the video if you want. Yes.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
40,000 naira. I'm rich.
I want to be a teacher when I grow up.
A babysitter.
A pastor.
Dolphin trainer.
I would like to be a terrorist.
Next thing you do is to go to your video editing app. I'm using CapCut. Add your original video, the one you want to add the funny sound to. Though there are other ways to do it. You can add the funny sound as overlay, but I just want to show you this method because it's easier. The first thing I do when I want to edit videos is to first choose my aspect ratio. So I know I want to post this on YouTube. I'm going to choose this YouTube aspect ratio. That's what I'm choosing. Then I'll increase the volume and reduce the noise. These are my first practices. Then I want to enhance the color of this video. So what I'll do is to go to adjust, then just increase the brightness. First of all, I'm not supposed to be making this video on a white background where I'm wearing white, but I didn't plan to make it, so you just have to manage it. You can't wear the same color with your background if you want to get a good video. So I'm going to reduce the highlight, reduce the shadow, and then reduce the whiteness, increase the blackness a little. Then use temperature to add a little color to it. So after those adjustments, now it's time to work on the video. The first thing I'm going to do is to listen to my video. When I get to the part where I want to add the funny sound, I'll split. After splitting, I'll click on the plus button to add the video of the funny sound. So I will listen to the funny sound. Once I get to the point where I want it to start on my own, I'll split and delete the other parts. Watch my screen. You will see the point where I want to split from. You have to click on this highlight here before you see split. Then I'll delete the part I don't want. So after deleting the part I don't want, I don't want it to also be showing all the other things I recorded this the video with. So what I'll do is to use crop. To crop, you just hold these edges and then move out the part you don't want. After that, you can put your finger in the middle and zoom the part you want so that it will cover your screen. You can also add a text or use a sticker to cover some things you don't want. It's not compulsory, but if you need to do it, it's not so difficult to do. If you watched till this point, I'm sure you must have seen that this was how I did my introduction video on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really need your subscription. Also like and drop a comment. Thank you.